which is highly effective for particulate removal. And high pressure membranes are effective for dissolved matter removal. So which is in turn can treat the wastewater. The second one is using ultraviolet irradiation technology, which uses the germicidal effect of UV light in a way that the microorganisms in the water are inactive through the exposure in the UV light. And the third technology, which is slow sand filter, which is the turbidity, algae, and microorganisms can be removed using this technology. A simple and reliable process. It is suitable for treatment of small supplies provided that sufficient land is available. And the final one is activated sludge model, which is this is highly effective treatment method and requires little land area. And this is effective for small urban areas for the wastewater treatment technology. That's all. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much for your good presentation. Thank you, Group 6, for the very good info. Okay, next group is group, I think everyone currently shares. Okay, group number 1. Sorry. Okay, group number 6, you have to share the screenshot for the session. Okay, group number 1, anyone would like to present? Very short presentation.
Okay, Doctor. So for group 1, I will present. First, boleh present ke, Doctor?
Yes, please proceed.
Oh. Jap. Okay, so Doctor present screen ke saya present screen?
I will present the screen for you.
Oh, sebab dia betul tukar.
Oh, yes, for the reason, I think maybe you can present. I will stop presenting.
Okay. Alright, can everyone see my screen?
Yes, okay, you can proceed.
Okay, so I am Muhammad Firdaus bin Samsudin. My matrix number is 197050. I am from group 1, so I will discuss about water stealing issue. First thing first, we are go with the factor on this issue. Firstly, personal greed. It is landlords who are paying increasing water costs that they cannot recoup from their tenants. And then the agriculture and construction purpose. Maybe it is because people and companies obtain water illegally for watering their plants and so on. And then the third one is lack of any real policing, which is if there is no chance of being a caught, people will steal water even when they do not need it. Okay, then we go with the effect on this issue, which is water stealing. First, the effect will show on the overuse of water, which can lead to wasting a lot of water due to some people that is illegal using it. And then lack of water supply for the population. Basically, this is to sustain the capacity at a certain area. And then the third one is safety concern. It is polluted could reach to the people who are illegally using it, as there is no data of the people available. And then next is the solution, which is by according to the Pengurusan Air Selangor, the water tapping can be detected if there is no water meter installed on their property. Basically, there's a survey need to be done by the authorities on that problem. Okay, and then if the convicted, those who steal water, it can be charged in the section of 123 of the Water Services Industry Act 2006. And then the precaution or the ways we need to do is by the public awareness campaigns. And then the last one is maybe the solution for the victims by designing a host beep lock to secure a project from water tap. And then last one is the facts. The facts is thieves have been stealing 30% to 50% worse water supply every day by researchers from Journal Natural Sustainability. And then according to our research from January to March this year, there were 35 cases of water theft reported by each of the state water operators. So basically, this water stealing issue is need to be care or to be concerned by the authorities as much as possible. Okay, Doctor, that's all from me and my group 1. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, Firdaus, for the presentation. Okay, so the rest of the group, you shall continue presenting next week. Yeah, because now I would like to use the remaining time to explain about the assignment. Yeah, the assignment. Next week we have the remainings for group. Yeah, to spend 5 minutes. Very short, not really a presentation lah. Only very short briefing on the findings for the breakout session. So maybe we have to spend about 20 minutes, yeah, for the briefing on the breakout session. Okay, now currently I'm sharing the slide about, so thank you very much everyone for your cooperation for the breakout session. The final section for our lecture today is on the assignment 1. Okay, next 2 weeks, next 2 weeks in week 3, week 3 and week 4. How many of you? I think we have about 10 students. And week 5, probably will take about 3 weeks to complete the presentation. This is going to be individual, individual assignment. The one just now is not any. It is not assignment. This is going to be the first individual assignment. So you're going to present the current scenario of water treatment or wastewater treatment industry, the problem, the current practice on technology, and the way forward. For example, you can highlight in the future available technology to solve the problem. So you have to highlight the issue, the challenge. The point to be highlighted in slide must be critical and significant. You can include some photo in the diagram. This is again a very short assignment where you have to prepare maximum of 6 slides. It's not in the form of report, only in the form of slide. Can you hear my voice? You can then. Okay. Only in the form of slide where it's require a maximum of 6 slides. So you can prepare about 5 to 6 slides. Okay, when I mention 5 to 6 slides, only 5 to 6 slides. Do not exceed 6 slides. Okay, you can exceed if you would like to say thank you or you would like to share appendix on the photos. But the information, the key point must be within the 6 slides. It's going to be 5 to 7 minute presentation for each of you. So we are going to present this. You are going to present this first all of you are going to submit the slide in Putra Blast in week 3, which is in 2 weeks time. Yeah, but the presentation from each of you will be divided into 3 sessions. Yeah, week 3, week 4, and week 6, because there are 30 of you. Yeah, so 10%. 10 students will be presenting next week, another student the other weeks, and 10 students will be presenting in week 3, 10, week 4, and week 6. Yeah, it's going to be a very short presentation as well. It's going to be 5 to the maximum of 7 minutes presentation. Okay, you have to highlight about the water or wastewater treatment, or and not and or what is the obstacles, yeah, what is the existing technology being used, and what is the future technology that available that can solve the problem regarding on the challenge just now, and regarding on the challenge that we have highlighted earlier. Yeah, so this is available everywhere. Yeah, very, I think it's easy, but a little bit risky. You know why? Because you are to submit not in the form of report. If in the forms of report, you can simply copy and paste. Yeah, but now you are to submit in the form of slide. So you have to be very selective in order to choose the keywords to be included in your slide, because slide, it has to be presentable. You are not to have a very long sentences, a very long complex paragraph. Yeah, only few key points. Yeah, so this is the challenge lah in completing this assignment. Even though it looks like an overview, but still you have to be critical, and you have to be critical in selecting the keywords. Yeah, I will upload the question, yeah, for the assignment tonight, as well as the notes, yeah, the lecture notes just now, so that you are to submit in 2 weeks time on the 5th of April. Everyone has to submit by the 5th of April, which is in week 3, but the presentation are to be divided into 3 sessions. Yeah, because otherwise the whole lecture will be only the student presentation, which is not nice now. Yeah? We divide into 3 sessions, so 10 students per week. By week 6, we have completed all students have presented their assignment. Any question? Do you have any question? Okay. Any question? All right, great.
So far,
Sorry? No
No,
question,
Radha.
huh? All right, thank you. Okay, if there is no question, I think that's all for today. So have a pleasant evening, everyone. Yeah, thank you very much for your kind attention. Bye.
Thank you, Rata.
All right, thank you, Rata.
Thank you.
Let you know I will post in the Putra Blast, but I forgot to share the link for the attendance. I will share the link. I will share the link for the attendance tonight in our WhatsApp group. Please include Torben in our WhatsApp group. Yeah? Please include Torben, so that tonight I will share with you the link for the attendance. So please fill up the link as soon as you receive the link, or anyone can create the link for the attendance.